So what's up guys, it's me Nico, and we're going to trap people on the Donut SMP using my simple trap. Guys, I'm the one invented this trap, so make sure subscribe and let's go. For this trap we will need some wood. This is the most simple trap I would make, so just watch the full video so you can see. Not got banned because I'm extreme last time, and I think it's go my friend. Let's break this block. So we already have a 12 log, so we're going to find the best spot to make the trap. I would recommend to build the trap in the mountainside. Oh, this is I found the spot, man. So just break these blocks and break. So guys, watch me beat a Java player because some of the Java players says Bedrock is some of them says Bedrock is so boring. So I will teach them a lesson. So now we have this contraption. Now we're going to do this. There we're going to call them using my simplest trap on the Donut SMP. And then the next thing we're going to do is make some slab, and then just place this here, and then break this block, and then place here. The next thing we're going to do is okay. So the finished product. This is the finished product of the trap. So I will TP here the person, and then if they TP, I will just close this gap, and then I will place a pressure plate in there and then a sign so they cannot place anything or ender pearl. So let's test the trap. A sword and also this one. So let's just put this thing here and let's trap some people. And let me put this in here. Then let's go. Let's just type in the chat. TPA for free loot. Free base, yeah. /TP accept. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this. Oh no. Yes, I dropped them. I just dropped them, man. I dropped them. Let's go! I trapped them. Let's go, man. I trapped them. Let's go. Let's go! I killed the Java player using the simplest trap, man. Let's go! Let's trap another person. He's typing. Oh man. Okay. Let's try another person. Mystery box. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Wait. Okay. Someone sent /TP accept. I'm bugging. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Bro! Easy kill, man. Easy kill, man. So, that's it, guys. And thank you for watching. Bye.